To make a natural homemade cough syrup, you will need a few simple ingredients. Start by mixing together 1 cup of honey with half a cup of warm water in a saucepan over low heat. Stir until the honey is fully dissolved. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of ground ginger and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Allow the mixture to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once the syrup has thickened, remove it from the heat and let it cool. You can store the syrup in a sealed container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. To use, simply take 1 tablespoon of the syrup as needed to help soothe a cough. This homemade remedy is a great alternative to over-the-counter cough syrups that may contain unwanted additives and chemicals.